Several taverns in Bayfield and surrounding area would serve Tom and Jerry's during the winter holiday season. The recipe might vary depending on who made it, but was pretty much the same from bar to bar. Word of mouth would alert local patrons as to where the holiday drink was being served on any given night. Most taverns making Tom and Jerry's would make a large bowl of the concoction and set it at the end of the bar and serve in small cups at a reasonable price. Tom and Jerry's, supper clubs, and lutefisk dinners were upper Midwestern traditions. If you are interested in making this recipe, you might want to pause and screen print or copy the recipe.